Friends, you all can easily see the injury and damage caused to any part of our body, but we cannot see the disease happening in our brain or the damage, problems, and losses that happen gradually every day, whereas the brain. It is considered to be the most important part of our body, but still people are careless in it due to weak brain and less fox brain. And there will be many people among you who will leave this video incomplete and go to watch other videos. Know this very well. What is this habit, which damage and destroy your brain every day? According to many experts, today's modern lifestyle and habits are damaging our brain and making it weak. So know those 9 habits which are damaging your brain. Sleeping habits include some too. It is not advisable to give rest to your brain. If you keep walking non-stop till then after sitting and resting for a while, you get ready to start walking again. But if your brain goes back to walking less and less non-stop, then the rest from that is only and only good. If you get proper sleep, then regretfully, as we grow older it becomes worse. It's time to sleep. Neither is waking up late or staying up late. Your thinking slows down, your memory starts getting spoiled, your decision-making ability gets spoiled, and there are many other serious problems. In fact, according to a study, lack of sleep actually affects your brain. The size starts decreasing. That is why you have to understand your sleep pattern and see how much sleep you need. And once you know this, then sleep more. Don't fake it. Instead, understand the importance of your sleep, how important it is. Sleep better without keeping your phone on till late night. Number 2 is too much screen time. Screens have become a very important part of our lives, which are gradually replacing all our activities. Now, whether it is day or night, instead of going out and living, people just sit with their eyes glued to their phones. According to a 2017 research, small children found that excessive screen exposure reduces brain connectivity. Because your brain is not used while watching the screen, now you are just mindlessly turning on a light. The exact opposite happens when children are reading books. The connectivity of the brain is very high. This is because when you are reading, you read the words, find out their meaning. Do imagination in your mind to understand a thing. Think about it in a big way, which is very beneficial for your brain. It's a healthy exercise. Just go to the settings of your phone and see how many hours a day you are using it. Try to reduce your consumption of match sugar. You start eating something sweet during the day. You wake up in the morning and drink tea or coffee with sugar, or when a box of sweets comes to your house, you yourself is a person. You don't get, or maybe you keep drinking Coca-Cola or Pepsi regularly. This sugar craving is like an indicator for your stress levels. Because according to science, sugar craving is your brain's stress responding. There is a system, but if it is too much, if you have a race, you can get too much sugar, which harms your brain. A 2011 study showed how sugar can weaken the cognitive functions of our brain. According to a 2017 study, people who suffer from Alzheimer's every day 1 or more sugary drinks. If they drink, their brain ability reduces and their memory starts getting affected. And both of these are signs of Alzheimer's disease. Sedentary lifestyle, friends, keeping yourself locked in a room all day long, neither meeting anyone nor talking to anyone. You have no sense of when it is morning and when it is night. This makes your brain more lazy, which can become a reason for anxiety and depression in the long term. Do you know that according to a report by the University of Michigan, doing real face-to-face conversation with a kiss for just 10 minutes every day can improve your memory, cognition, and more? Will give good feel because we humans are social beings who are not made to sit in one place, but are made to explore this world and live with people. Eating Too Much Junk Food Research Institute conducted a research in which yourbrain. It is said that junk food or high-sugar diet not only makes you physically unhealthy, but also changes your brain. The chemicals that we put in our body are harmful to our brain. It reduces the fuel for our brain. If you pour dirty water in your car instead of petrol, its engine will get damaged. Similarly, if you eat unhealthy and junk food instead of a healthy and neutron-rich data, then the health of your body as well as your brain will be damaged. To start with, for this, first of all, start eating only home-cooked food. This will also save you from wasting money. Your physical and mental health will also not deteriorate. You will not suffer from any diseases in future, nor will you waste your money on medicines. Waking up late in the morning, another habit which damages your brain every day, is to start your day with fear. Friends, we believe that whatever is not natural, no less if it is not according to nature, then we should stop it. We will definitely get some punishment. The biology of our body is designed in such a way that night is for sleep and day is for waking up. And many people wake up very late in the day, where half the day is spent. It is almost over. It sets a negative thought in their mind. They think, oh man, today I woke up late again, and then it seems that now is the day. This is also about to end. Now there is nothing to do except the child, and you postpone everything for tomorrow and pick up late again tomorrow. This repeated behavior and the negative feeling associated with it has become hardwired in your brain, which will destroy yourself. It lowers your esteem, you are a low caste in your own eyes, and this thought can gradually damage your mental health. It seems because as soon as you wake up in the morning, you are thinking everything consciously in your mind. Even today I am lost in my own bad habit which affects you mentally. Number 7 is not exercising. Physical exercise are only yours. It is not only necessary for the body, but it is also very important for your brain and mind. This is because when you access, your heart rate increases, and your heart starts pumping more oxygen, which helps your brain. An experiment was also done on some high school students related to this. The first group of students was told that they have to do intense exercise every morning and keep their heart rate high. The second group was told that they can sleep comfortably. And when the exam results of both the groups were seen, the result came that Group 1, an increase of 17% was seen in the scores, while an improvement of 10.7% was seen in the students of Group 2. To fix this, start by accessing only 30 minutes every day. If your desk is, or you are a student, then maybe you spend most of your time sitting. Then set an alarm in your phone, which will remind you every 45 minutes. Sitting too much is not good for your brain, and you should get up and immediately walk for 5 minutes. Stretching or walking for a walk. Over-consuming content makes our brain less able to process information. But in today's time, so much creeper. There is information that our brain has started hanging. Our brain is very powerful, but it is also not perfect. It also has a limit, which we cannot overcome every time. Days cross WhatsApp, Facebook, emails, details, YouTube. The supply of so much content from everywhere is going to increase, but the capacity of our bin is only that much. Gan Wilson, professor of psychology at Chisholm College, London, found this out from his research. It is said that when we are in a situation where we need full focus and concentration, but our phone is kept on the side but unread, message notification has come. Just by being in this situation, our brain's IQ 10, it falls down like this. It's like mother. You are filling air in a balloon, and you are going on increasing. If you are not stopping, then one day or the other, the time will come when that balloon will get fat. Our brain is getting divided into that balloon, and this head content of the internet is taking the air off. Stimulating thoughts. Friends, if you buy a machine and keep it in a corner and do not use it much, it will start rusting. Our brain is made for sleep, for critical, creative, and analytical thinking. But nowadays, due to technology, our brain does not have much power to do so. If we ever face any problem, then at the time of sleeping, we start searching for the solution on Google or YouTube. If you notice, you will come to know how much distance you are taking in the whole day without thinking on autopilot mode. Your brain is not getting even a little power from the one who is damaging your brain. As long as your brain has something to sleep for, has some goal, has a purpose in life, then it will reduce to its best version. Otherwise, it will slowly die. Will be done. If you found this video helpful, please like it and click the subscribe button to support the channel's growth. Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos. If you want us to make videos on any other topics or problems, please let us know in the comments, and we will try to cover them.